Do you remember? A beetle is 2/8 notes joined together. Pull them apart, there's the arrow feather. Now we're going to do the same thing with our 16th notes. So look at this. A caterpillar looks like 2 beetles, it seems. But look at the top there, it has 2 beams. So just like we broke this apart into 2/8 notes, the caterpillar has 4 16th notes, and this is what they look like single. They have 2 flags to represent, 2 beams and 2 flags, just like the beetle has 1 flag or 1 beam and 1 flag there. So do you remember how we count caterpillars? Do you remember how we count that? 1 E and 2 E and, right? So let's look at our orange cards. By the way, in every email that I have sent this semester, you have the links to these counting cards. So if you wanted to print those up, this might be a good time to do it so you guys can practice this at home since we're all kind of stuck at home. So this is what our caterpillars look like, and this is the counting that we do. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and all right. Now let's look at our grasshoppers. Okay, we have 2 16th notes in each of our grasshoppers, right? And they are at the end where his feet rub together, right? So we're going to count that. If you look very closely, do you see this E is written very softly in there? That's because we think that E in our heads. We don't say it out loud, but when we do it, I'm going to kind of whisper it so we can hear it. And this is how we count our grasshoppers, okay? And our E is going to be thought in our head. So it goes like this. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and grasshopper, grasshopper, all right? 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and now obviously our butterflies are backwards, all right? Because our wings flap fast, okay? So here's our butterfly. The E is said, and the and the if you look really carefully there, that is silent, all right? So let's try our butterflies. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and all right? Butterfly, butterfly. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and all right? I hope you could see that. Now